Hi, I'm Jenks and I represent Prodigy Homes, and we're here today in Walnut Heights where we just broke ground on 2 lots, about to be 3, and we have 4 here total, and I'm going to show you around the plans and this neighborhood. Here we are on lot 15. This is going to be our piano floor plan, which is 2,209 square feet, and this plan will be about $713,000. Here we have lot 16, and this is going to be our Interlude Bonus, which is 2,458 square feet. One thing that's great about the Interlude Bonus is it has a bonus room with a bathroom upstairs, and it also has 16-foot ceilings as you walk in, and the living room is vaulted. Here we are on lot 14 where we're building the Legato Bonus, which is 2,329 square feet. This one also has a bonus room and a really nice large back patio. All of these lots are still available to purchase. If you get in soon enough, you can go ahead and pick out most of the selections. Otherwise, you can contact myself or look at Prodigy's website at homesbyprodigy.com to see what we have available here and in all of our other neighborhoods in Tri-Cities.